Hello everyone, and thank you so much for stopping by. So for today's video, we're going to be talking about the new Nude Lip Gloss Set by Persona Cosmetics, and these are her newest releases. It comes with 3 different lip glosses, and these are, like I said, the Nude Lip Gloss Set. These ones are infused with avocado oil and shea butter, so they're supposed to be moisturizing for your lip, which is great. I just picked these up, so it comes, like I said, with 3. It comes with toffee, honey, and peach, and they are supposed to be a high shine, non-sticky formula with a light vanilla scent, and they're vegan and gluten-free. These ones are sold on Persona Cosmetics' site as well as on ULTA site, which I didn't pick it up on ULTA. I wasn't sure they were going to come to ULTA, so I picked them up on Persona site as soon as they released because I knew that I had to have them because I love me a lip gloss so much. And I love sets too. So these ones retail each for $16, or you can get the set for $36. So you end up saving a little bit of money when you get the whole set, which is why I got them. So on the details, it says, remember the first time you wore a lip gloss and how it made you feel? Sultry, effortless, and instantly refreshed. Persona Cosmetics took that magic feeling of a gloss, eliminated that tacky, glittery gooiness, and added nourishing oils to create Season 1 lip gloss, a comfortable high shine formula that you'll actually want to wear because you shouldn't have to pick between a beauty and comfort. So for today's video, what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be swatching them on my lips as well as on my hands so you guys can kind of see how the colors look, kind of like we did before with the other ones. One thing that I do want to say is that I wish that she would have made a mini set as well, because the reality is that I'm never going to run through all 3 of these, and having minis I love, so I wish she would make mini sets of her lip glosses as well. I mean, I understand they're not super expensive, but having minis is always good. So I wish and hope that she'll be making minis in the future. My favorite lip glosses right now are the Dose of Color lip glosses. So just for reference, in case you guys are wondering which ones I like, those are my favorite. So these are good, they just don't last very long on the lips, which is fine. I don't mind reapplying. They fade off super beautifully. They don't fade off all weird or anything like that, so that's a plus. So I am enjoying them, but they don't last very long, so keep that in mind. So these are gonna be the 3 that come in each set. So I'm gonna go ahead and zoom you guys in a little bit. So first one up, we got Honey. So this is what it looks like on the lips. This is what it's gonna look like swatched on the hand. And this one is described as a warm true nude, and I definitely agree. It's very comfortable. They don't feel sticky at all, and they do feel nourishing on the lips. Like, I didn't notice after I took it off my lips were dry or anything like that, so that's really, really great. So let's go ahead and move on to the next color. Okay, up next we got Peachy, and it's this one right here. This one is described as a peachy nude, and this is what it looks like right here next to Honey. So as you guys can see, it is definitely more peachy than Honey, and it is a nude as well, but it's more peachy of a nude, so the description, I guess, is perfect. But again, this is a very pretty color. I feel like it would go well with a lot of different colors under, a lot of different looks. So this is another one that I really, really like. To be honest, I like all 3 of them, so I mean, I don't know if I really have a favorite, but this is what Peachy will look like on the lips and swatched right here. Okay, and then last but not least, we got here Toffee on the lips, and this is described as a nude with a warm red undertone. And I would definitely agree, this one is like the darkest one out of the 3. And this is what it looks like right here next to the other shades. So this is gonna be Toffee, this is Peachy, and this is Honey. So those are the 3 shades right here. As you guys can see, they're definitely all different. I would say that Honey and Toffee are the more pigmented out of the 2. I would say Peachy is a little bit on the lighter side, but again, they're all so beautiful. Like, this looks so pretty. It is more pigmented and it's a little darker, but I feel like it looks so pretty on. Like, I'm loving these lip glosses, and again, they have nourishing oils in them, so what else can we ask for? Again, I'm wearing Toffee, and this is what it looks like right here, and I don't know, I'm kind of in love with all three of them. All right, so those are gonna be the 3 shades that come included in the set. So I'm loving all 3 of these lip glosses. I can totally see myself continuing to use them. All right, and that's gonna be it for today's video. Let me know in the comments below if you guys are thinking of picking them up, if you guys are considering them, which one you're thinking of picking up, which one was your favorite. I love to know, so leave that in the comments below. But other than that, that's gonna be it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, please give me a thumbs up. Also, if you haven't subscribed already, I would appreciate if you would do so, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.